Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I saw this treat bowl plastic thing at the dollar store and I could not wait to try pouring through it. I'm so excited. So this video is going to be extremely Halloween themed. If you don't like Halloween, don't like Halloween colors, this may not be the video for you. We're using orange, white, and black with a bunch of glow in the dark. So I've got my Lowly Vefe silicone bowls here. And the white and black are both Artist Loft Flow Acrylics. The orange is, I think, Blicks. And I'm very sorry, I should probably have known that. And then I'm using two glow-in-the-darks. I'm using just like a regular glow-in-the-dark and an orange glow-in-the-dark. So the orange is FolkArt, and the regular is both FolkArt, but it's a mixture of the glow and the super glow. Just because I had both, so might as well. I'm going to try not to use too much black, but I absolutely do want the contrast. So this one's the glow. And here we have the black. And then this is the orange glow, which is a great color, but doesn't have a lot of pigment versus like this orange. All right, actually don't need too much more paint here. A little more white, and then I think I'm gonna do a little more of the regular glow. And that should be plenty. All of these colors are mixed with floetrol and water, my regular color mixtures, and check the description for the products and ratios. Okay, here we go. This is exciting. And I think I might try this both ways. So with this, like this, and then I'll flip it around, not in this same video, but in another video, and maybe try pouring it the other way. We'll see. That's so cool so far. I'm gonna bring you down for a close-up real quick here. Check out how it's coming out the sides there. That's so cool. All right, I'm gonna let this sit here for a bit and let it keep moving. And then we'll pull this off and see what we've got. All right, I think it's good. Here we go. That's so cool. That actually worked better than I thought it would. I'm definitely going to be doing more on this. I am slightly worried that I may not have used quite enough paint. So I'm gonna just I have some of this orange left. Just gonna put a little more paint around the edge here. And maybe some of this glow actually. Okay. And this is literally just to help the paint move. All of this you're not going to see anyways. Let me know down in the comments if Halloween is your favorite holiday. To be perfectly honest, I think Christmas is mine, and I'm the worst at Halloween, but I do love doing Halloween themed art and craft projects. All right, here we go. I'm gonna go towards each corner and back to the middle. We're gonna try to kind of maintain this pattern. Actually, I think this could be super cool to do this on a spinner as well. And definitely that black took over. Which is interesting because I really didn't use a lot of it, especially compared to some of the other colors. All right. So it looks like we're gonna probably be left with kind of a spider web design from the bowl. And then we'll have to see how much this glows in the dark. I think the black might have come through so much because of the transparency of the glow in the darks, but I don't know. That's okay. Woo. Halloween themed painting. Lots of black is okay. Well, that is just interesting and actually crazy cool. I'll bring you down for a close-up here, but just some of the patterns here are kind of crazy. So let's do a quick close-up and then we'll take a look at it in the dark. Okay, check out some of these patterns. This is just a lot of fun. I will definitely be doing some more paintings with this bowl. I don't know if you can see here, but there's just so much interest over here and depth. It's kind of crazy. And then this pattern in the middle, which I didn't maintain perfectly the spiderweb design, but it's still kind of in there. And like I said, I think doing it on a spinner would be awesome. So let's look at it in the dark. Okay, so this is with a black light, because remember, this hasn't specifically been charged or anything. This paint wasn't sitting outside in the sun or under a UV light, but that is so stinking cool. I love the pattern of the orange here. So I'm glad I put that glow orange in near the end. And then of course, just the lines throughout. This is pretty darn awesome. Let me bring the phone down real quick. Look how fun that is. And the hilarious thing is seeing all the glow in the dark splatters all over my walls and stuff. Like, clearly I've had some incidents before. Okay, let's take a look with the black light off, see if it retains some of our glow. That super glow is supposed to be the most glow in the dark. That's why I bought it. Here we go. Not bad, not bad. Can be seen through the eyes much more than the phone. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. More Halloween themed videos to come, and I'll see you next time.